Hi, I am excited to introduce our latest extension, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. This powerful extension is designed to streamline and standardize address formatting within your CRM. With this extension, you can effortlessly maintain uniform address data throughout your system, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Installation is very simple. Simply go to the Marketplace and open our extension. Click on Start Free Trial or Buy Now. Follow the prompts. Wait until the installation process is finished. Click Save. Once installed, it will redirect you to the settings page. You need to authenticate to Zoho service and provide a Google API key. When you collect the Google API key, make sure these three APIs are activated: Geocoding API, Maps JavaScript API, and Places API. These APIs are required for the extension to work properly. Copy the Google API key, paste it, and verify the Google API. Once installed, the extension will automatically create buttons for accounts, contacts, and leads. It is also compatible with all standard and custom modules. Let me show you how this extension works in the Contacts module. Go to the Contacts module and click Create Contact. In the Create or Clone view, there is a button named Address Toolkit. Our extension supports multiple address blocks in the Contacts module. Since there are two address blocks, we added two address blocks in the settings. You can add multiple address blocks as needed. Now provide the address and select one from the auto-suggested addresses. You can also drag the marker to change the address if needed. It populates the address components that are available in the record. Now provide a contact name and save it. In the Details view, you also have a button named Address Toolkit. Based on the addresses available in the record, it will populate the address components and the addresses. You can change the address from here or drag the marker from here. Then save it.